Welcome back, everybody. This is Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 23 homework help. Hey, make sure you put your first and your last name up here, and if you have a class number, put that up there too. Help your teacher out. Sorry, my color keeps going in and out. I don't know what's going on. I got to turn more lights on is what it really means. Ooh, that's a lot. There we go. Now we can see that better. All right. First name, last name, and if you have a class number, put that on there too. Your teacher will never be upset about that. It'll make them happier. All right, so it looks like our place value chart's already drawn out for us. That's awesome. Use place value disk to subtract. Okay, well, let's make sure. We got 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep. 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep. 100. All right, we got everything we need. So let's subtract 63. Can we take 3 away from here? Because remember, here's our number. Here's our ones, and here's our tens. We don't have any hundreds to subtract. So can we take away 3 ones? Yes, we can. So 155 minus 63. I know I need to work on my handwriting. All right, hold on. Let's redo this. I know. Teachers tell you to do it, and then I'm sloppy. 1, 5, 5 minus 6, 3. All right, that looks a lot better. All right, so 5 minus 3, we had 5, we took away 3, we have 2 left here, we have 2 here. All right, let's get the next one. 6, we need to take 6 away from the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's our first problem. We don't have enough, and if we look right here, 5 is bigger than 6, so there's more on the floor, so we're going to the next store and borrow 10 more. You can rewrite this to be cross out the 5, cross out the 1, and make it 15. I'm just going to go like this. Okay, and say 15 minus 6. But I don't have that down here. So where am I going to get that 10? I'm going to go over here because remember, it takes 10 tens to make 100. You need 10 of these to get 1 of these. So I cross this out. So that means 10 just reappear on this side. Well, they don't reappear. I have to draw them. But now they're all over here, right? So we had 5. We added 10 more. So now we have 15 over here. Can we take 6 away? We absolutely can take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, count what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 left, so I have 92. Up here, same thing, 15 minus 6. Okay, so 15 minus 6 is also going to be 9. So our answer is 92. We got that correct. All right, our next one, let's look at this because I'm not going to help you with all these. This is just to get you going. This is so you have an example on your homework to use, which here's your example to do all the rest of these 2 other problems. Look, got a little bit on the back. We'll talk about that in a second. But the next problem. All right, let's get a little higher so we can see it. There we go. All right, so our next one. If you want to keep writing the problems like this off to the side so you can practice them, parents, I'm doing this so you can see what the thinking is, so it makes sense to you, so you understand this new way of doing math. Again, I keep saying it. I promise you it is really better. All right, so here we go. 148. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. 1. Yep. Okay. Minus 52. We can take our 2 away from here easy. 5. We can't take 5 away from here, so you're going to have to blow this up and bring it over. All right, just like we did up top here. So you will be blowing this up and bringing it over, or you won't be able to solve this problem. You cannot subtract up. So many students I see want to subtract up. You have 148. There I go again, writing fast, not being neat. If you have 148 minus 52, you can't say 8 minus 2 is... Oh, I almost gave the answer. That's not going to happen, right? You can't subtract down this way and up this way. The answer to this is not going to be 100. I'm sorry. Yeah, 100. I don't want to give you the answer. So you're not going to have an answer here, and an answer here. You can't have this one here. You can't. This is not 1. 4 minus 5 is not 1. You can't subtract up. You have to subtract going down. When you can't subtract going down, you have to go next door and borrow 10 more, just like over here. So remember, I'll even get this one started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There. You will not have hundreds in your answer. Can't happen. It's gone. I blew it up. So should you. Look at the bottom problem. Again, if we write it out, 104 minus 93. Yep, that works because this is bigger than this. 0 is smaller than every number. So you cannot take 9. The answer to 0 minus 9 is not 9. It can't be 9 because this is a 0. If you hold up 0 fingers, you can't take away 9 fingers. All right? So again, you're going to be doing some blowing up and some moving. All right? Use this one, number 1, to help with number 2. Use number 1 and 2 to help with number 3. On the back, count from 358 to 604. So 350. I did it wrong myself. 3, 5, 8. You have to stop at 604. Oops, sorry. There it is. 604. Figure out how you get there. Can you count by ones? Will that work? Do you have to count a different way? I'm not going to help you guys with the counting one. I think you can figure that one out on your own. Plus, I'm always supposed to help with like one problem. I already gave you a little extra, but that's okay. A little extra help never hurt anyone. All right. I hope this one helps. Again, make sure every time you're checking to make sure you're doing the right lesson. I'm putting all of them out. If you do the wrong answer or the problems don't look the same, check what lesson it is and check your page numbers. All right. Again, Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, Module 2, Lesson 23. The camera's going crazy. We're on page 117 and on the back there, 118. This is Mr. Short. Have a good night.